So you may or may not have heard of affiliate marketing, and you may consider doing it, but you don't know what that exactly is, because all you see is video like this or this, but that's not nearly enough to understand it. So let me break it down for you to go from no understanding to your first commission. If you don't know me, hi, my name is Sanela. I'm an affiliate marketer, and I help average people to live above the average. So affiliate marketing is a business model where you promote other people's or companies' products or services. You basically partner with the company and you share a sale. Every sale that happens through you, you earn a commission off of it. It can be anything from 2 to 80%. Obviously, the higher, the better. Why is this great? Because it's beginner friendly. You choose the product, what you want to promote. You don't have to create anything. There's no shipping, inventory, or customer service involved. No experience at all needed. And it has really low startup costs. So there's a 6th step in affiliate marketing. Let's go. Step number 1, pick a niche. Niche is basically a topic of your interest. You want to pick something you're passionate about, something you love to talk about it, and you want to solve a problem your audience have. In my ebook, you will find example how to do it. Step number 2, pick an affiliate program or product or service you want to promote. 80% of today's brands are having an affiliate program. Companies like Amazon, Target, Walmart. In my ebook, you will find a list of the things you need to be aware of when searching for an affiliate program, and also where to find them. Step number 3, build a sales funnel and autoresponder. This is a very important step, and it's a huge mistake to not having this step. And here's how this works. You send people from your traffic source to opt-in page. There, they become your lead. From opt-in page, they are going to your bridge page, which bridges the gap between opt-in page and sales page. A sales page is an offer from your partner. And why is this important? Because people don't buy from first time. That's why you want to create an email campaign that brings them again to the sales page or to another affiliate offer. More is explained in my ebook. And how to build a sales funnel, where here you want to get some help if you want to do this right. Step number 4 is to get a domain. And what is a domain? It's a place where your funnel comes to life. And you will also need your business email. You can easily set this up when you have a domain. Step number 5 is to driving traffic. After you set up your sales funnel and autoresponder, it's time to go. You're ready to drive some traffic. Here you also want to get some help. There's 2 kinds of traffic. One is organic, free, and the other is paid. And for both of them, you need to have someone to teach you how to do this right, how to market your product. It's not hard, but it's not that simple. You can't just throw a spaghetti on the wall and hope that sticks. You want to know what you're doing. And step number 6, repeat. Because once that you figured it out and set everything up, you can do this over and over again. This way you can really have multiple streams of income. And there's also 2 types of affiliate marketing. Low ticket affiliate marketing and high ticket affiliate marketing. Guess which one is better? Low ticket is everything beneath 20% in your commissions. And high ticket, everything above that. 40 to 60% is a great deal. That's where you can make really good money. So to learn more, go and grab my free ebook. It's linked in my profile, and it will bring you to a 20-minute video that explains even more in depth what you can expect. And I highly recommend you to enroll in a $7 course that helped me learn everything I just showed you and much, much more. It gave me ability to see the opportunity I have as an ordinary girl without a college, without a degree, just a regular girl who was lost, hated her job, and wanted more for herself. If that's you, head to the link in my bio. And if you need any assistance from my side, don't hesitate to contact me. My Instagram is also linked in my profile, and you can always hit me up. I'll be happy to help. See you on the other side.